track 444, proceed on course, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff. Course, track 444.
Tower 30 Golf Hotel at Alpha 3, ready to go.
November 30 Golf Hotel, Spirit Tower, Roger, hold short of runway 26 left.
26 left, 0 Golf Hotel.
Tower Hawker 705 Bravo, visual 26 left.
November 705 Bravo Bravo, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 5 Bravo.
November 5 Bravo Bravo, turn right at Alpha 8 and contact ground point 7.
Right Alpha 8, ground point 7, 5 Bravo.
November 30 Golf Hotel, proceed on course, runway 26 left at Alpha 3, clear for takeoff.
Tower Spirit Jet 176, inbound visual 26 left.
Spirit Jet 176, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, follow Hawker 2 mile final.
Alright, 26 left, clear to land and follow traffic, Spirit Jet 176. Good afternoon, Citation 15 Zulu is with you, visual 26 left.
November 15 Zulu, Zulu Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, 15 Zulu.
Number 5 Zulu Zulu, turn right at Alpha 6, disabled and contact ground point 7.
We make Alpha 6 over to ground, great day, 15.
26 left, cleared to land.
Right base, clear to land, 26 left, 805 Papa Hotel.
November 55 Hotel, turn right at Alpha 8, taxi straight ahead to parking, remain this frequency.
Alpha 8, that's you, 805 Papa Hotel, yes.
Take care. Number 555, November Echo, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 26 left, clear for takeoff, November 555.